What's up, YouTube? It's Abby. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. Today, as you can tell by the title, is Valentine's maintenance slash Galentine's vlog. Today is actually January the 28th, so a good little bit till Galentine's. I just want to start the vlog here because I get my hair done in 2 days. Also, I got a package today, and I wanted to show y'all that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with someone you know. And yeah, all right, so y'all can tell by the packaging, this is from Victoria's Secret. And some of them are from Pink, but they had a sale, so I had to get in on the sale. I'm gonna show y'all the prints because I don't really want to show y'all my drawers. Okay, but first pattern. It might be the lighting because they kind of look brown on the camera. These bows, some cherries. This is a bra. These are the shorts that go with that. These are some more cheetah print. And then lastly we got, what are these? Oh, they're just hearts. But yeah, that's all that I got. Oh, why they give me DoorDash cards and a $20 off card? Hey, okay, you got some discounts and stuff. Yeah. But yeah, that's it for the haul of what I got today. I'm gonna come back. Y'all probably not gonna see me again until Saturday when I'm finna get my hair done. So yeah. Hey YouTube, I'm back. It's January 31st, so y'all know it's time to get this hair done. I just put on this yellow set. I just put on this yellow set from Shein, but I don't know. Can y'all see me? I don't know what purse I want to wear because that'll determine what jewelry I wear. Like the set, like the details are silver, but or this one. And y'all not gonna see this video for a while, so if you think I made the wrong decision, it's too late now. Is that too tight or is it cute? I might loosen it up a little bit. First, we'll bring the chokers back. I don't know, they're saying 2026, the new 2016, so let's bring the chokers back. Oh man, I love little cute stuff. I know they're tiny, but I love them. Like, being a girl. All right, and then the scent of the day. These. Whenever I wear this scent, I always get compliments. Even some people recognize it because it's like it's been out for a long time. Like it's a popular scent, but I love it. And it lasts most of the day usually, so stick to what you know. All right, now I gotta figure out shoes, and then we're gonna find something to eat, and then we're gonna be ready to go. I decided to wear my pink Uggs, and then this scarf I got in France, Pandora earrings, GRWM necklace, Shein, Pandora, GRWM, Shein. It doesn't come, I don't even know if they still sell it because I got it last year around like May. But if they do, it does not come as a set. You have to order the top and you have to order the bottom. So, GRWM pink Uggs. Yeah, I got a tripod working. I had to figure out like buttons and hey y'all, I'm back home and I just want to come on here and check out my hair. Last time I got it, it wasn't really a bob, but like this is like a bob. Like this is a bob. But yeah, y'all know I'm finna make some TikToks, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all tomorrow because I am going out. If that doesn't get canceled because of the weather has been crazy. But I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hey YouTube, it's Sunday. I'm getting ready for the game. Right now all I have on is this top and these jeans, but I'm wearing a jacket on top because it's cold outside. And then I'm wearing on top of the jacket I gotta wear a puffer because it's that cold. This is the jacket. Last time I wore it, I kind of just wore it like a boy. Kind of just wore it as a boy. But I'm gonna try and style it. And I'm wearing my Yeezy boots, I think. I gotta see how I look with these jeans. This is cute. Okay. At least the sun is out. That's good. Y'all, if you get Yeezy boots, size up. Size up. I don't know, y'all. I like the Yeezy boots though. Y'all got too many shoes to choose from. Like, these will go too. I don't know. But I can't be late, so we're gonna go with my first option. This is the Yeezy boots. Y'all, I could go Ricky too though. I have not worn my Ricks in a minute. What y'all think? This is so hard. Both match, like everything matches because this jacket got so many colors in it, and that's why I love it. But it's also like, what the heck do I do? I'll be back. Y'all, this is what I went with. I went with the Ricks. We going no purse. But yeah, we're in a rush, so see you at the game. We at the game. We at the game. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Bro, you just playing, bro. Take a picture. Guys, we're finna go into the store to get some decorations. I'll probably just show y'all what we get later on. Yeah. Oh, that's cute. They go with the was it a blanket or something like this? Look over here. It's $10. You see the pink? That's cute. But look over here. Wait, but these could replace the canvases. I only had two. Two of these, or should I get one of this and then this one? For the canvas? Okay, y'all.
Yeah. This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stairs, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready.
Like cupcakes in the cookies on top. Snacks, they need to be kind of like on the small side because I wanted to put them in here. It says love, and then we can just kind of like pass it around, like depending on what you put in there. Placemats. I'm thinking about like hanging them up or something. Cause, yeah. Napkins. This is the tablecloth that I got. This for the baking. Instead of getting canvases, I found these, and I feel like these would be cuter. Everybody got their own blanket. Everybody has their own blanket. Yo, like this has to be perfect. Like this has to be the best Valentine's. This is the garland that I got. These are for like either cookie dough or if you want to make cupcakes or something. Yeah, energy invested in someone I saw potential. I'm like, we're going to be. Need to get the sentence in. Meanwhile, we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predict that, here we go again. They always say that everybody gets one kid, so everybody got socks. Another blanket. Everything that we got. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna organize everything and how I want to decorate. Because my mom was like, where are I gonna take pictures of that? I'm like, Mom, I don't know. It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall. See, it's funny cause I never thought this would end. But then the season changed. You were my girl. Should've made you my wife. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby. Oh yeah. That's right. I will turn into a butterfly. I will spread my wings in and I'm too fly for the shit. Come and rude boy, can you get it up? Come and rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, take it, yeah. Would you believe it? Said I'm in love, baby. Once, would you believe it? Said I'm in love, crazy. Stop it, I like the way you touch me there. I like the way you pull my hair, baby. If I don't feel it, I ain't faking, no. Oh no. I like when you tell me kiss your hair. I like when you tell me move it there. So get it up, time to get it up. You say you want more, boy, show me what you got now. Coming right now. Hey YouTube, I just wanted to come on here in this video here because tonight is Valentine's and I want to do a separate vlog for that. So make sure you stay tuned in. It's coming soon. But I did not show y'all my nails after I got back from the nail salon. So here they are. Kind of in a rush. I just got home, showered, dressed. But yeah, it's Valentine's night. We finna have a time. Make sure y'all tune in to the next vlog. I love y'all. Thank you for watching this vlog. Like, subscribe, share this with someone you know. And yeah. Gotta
VIP.